Hussein is there.
Yeah, Hussein. Hussein?
Yeah, he's there.
Maybe he's.
I can see him.
Oh, okay.
Okay, now, so
Yeah.
why I'm using the sprite? Because it is
Yeah.
I will be using it. I will be using it in a 2D form in my game. Okay, so sprites are
So,
2D and the
sprite
textures.
is only 2D.
Yeah, sprite
So,
is
in other
2D.
words, if we put, for example, a 3D model and we just put a sprite, it will be 2D also.
No, it will not.
For
Will
example,
not
the
work.
box, can we make it 2D?
Yeah, if we can make it like let me show you. If I
Yeah.
select the box and if I put this over here, it will come over here. Okay, but
Uh-huh.
I need to use it. But if there is a sprite in a scene, if there is a sprite in a scene, like let me make a sprite. This is a 2D object sprite, and this there you can see a sprite. So I cannot
Oh,
uh, assign the box over here. The box texture is not a sprite. Okay,
okay. So, okay. Okay.
I cannot drag and drop over here. So when I drag and drop
Perfect.
the sprite over here, so it will become
All right.
like this. Okay, so I want to change our game from PC to Android. Okay, so I want to switch it from the platform because there are so many different things. I want you guys to know, understand how we have to make the things visible in the game view. So for that, I should have to switch my game, and under the game section, you can see over here there are so many screens, sizes, and the resolution uh, over there. So you can select any type of resolution if you are making game for your tablet, or if you are making your game for your Android phone, or any type of screen. You can make any resolution for X and for Y, and you can select them and you can test in your Unity. So that is a very good part. So now we have successfully changed the platform to Android, and now you can see the Unity logo is over there. And now we can you can see the free aspect right now. Okay, so we need to change it to the landscape, and the landscape I prefer most is I think this one. You can select any of them. Okay, this one looks fine, so we can go with that. Okay, so now we can make a new game object, empty game object, and we can call it BG, and we can drag and drop this new BG sprite over here and just duplicate it like this, and the ground like this. It is not joined. Okay, now
Yeah.
it's okay. So let's try and let's see how it's look like. Okay, so the thing is, if we use some other scenes, then what will happen? Okay, if I do some changes over here, let's come over here and we can now it is more perfect, right?
Yes.
And if I select all of them, and this is actually the, you know, that the game developer are those people who know how to treat with the things. They should know. So I think these are fine. These three are fine for now. We can go with that later. And now I think, okay, so now I want you to import a new character in our game. Okay, so now it's look fine, right, Ahmed?
Yes.
We cannot see the changes of the background. Yes.
Yeah. Yeah. Yes.
Now it's feel good. Okay. Now what else we can do in our game is simple. You have to make we have to import free character. So we can go in Unity asset. Okay, not in that. Unity asset is store.unity.com, and over here you can search for a 3D character. Okay, and hit okay. So now you can see all the characters appears. Okay, so for the pricing,
Yes.
Okay.
click on the pricing and select the free assets.
Okay.
So now you can see there are so many characters, and this one third person character controller, I think you should download these things and you should go in the Unity asset store. These are the free assets provided by the Unity, and there are so many games. You can just change them and make your own game. Most of them are free. Like this one is a little bit on cost, but most of them are free. So let me tell you, starter. I don't want actually a complete thing. I just need a character. So 3D characters dummy. I think this one, but the size should be. I will tell you how you can see. Whenever you see any character over here, must check the file size.
Yes.
Must check the file size. It should not be very big in size, and the models are very good. But sometimes the models are too much heavy for our game, so we cannot use them. So we can also read the description. 3D basic humanoid rig. This is the humanoid rig, so we can run any animation in this humanoid, because so many models are not humanoid, so we can use it. So now I have,
So there's supposed to be there is a humanoid, so we can put
yeah,
animation on this one.
yeah.
All right.
So it should be humanoid. Most of the characters are humanoid, but we have to check it. So first of all, you have to sign in. I have already signed up over here. Hafiz Abdul
Yes.
Rahman is there. And when you sign in, okay, everything is on. Just select that, open this in a new window. Okay. It is free. And just hit the add to my asset. Okay. Now it is added to your assets. Okay, so we can accept this one. Okay. So now how to import this? This is already added to my assets. Okay. So now what I will do, 3D character dummy. The name of the asset is 3D character dummy. So now I am already signed in my Unity account, and now I have to download that. So first of all, I need to go to the window and then hit the package manager. And okay, so now it will fetch the assets you have added to your account. Okay, this is the package manager. Before Unity provide you a file, but now it's provide the more safe things. It's created a new window in Unity, and you can sign in Unity, and then whenever you open the package manager, it will show all of your accounts. So now it is refreshing.
Okay.
I want to know why it is taking so little time. My internet is hard. Okay. Also, we can go with the, okay, I can open a new project, which we have done in our last class, last course, which Ahmad have joined that class, that course actually. And
That's
I think,
1 year.
yeah, block 6 class. It was a block 6 class. We have done so many things in that as well. In this course, we are slow, but I'm focusing on the foundations actually. I'm more focusing on the foundations, how to create things from scratch. Previously,
Yeah, I
we,
want that.
yeah. So where is the package manager? Package manager, yeah. Now you can see over here, and you can select the package in project packages, and you can select the my assets over here. And now it is fetching the packages which I have, and now you can see the 3D character dummy, okay, which we have selected.
Yes.
Okay, you can download this. It will take time to download the 995 KB from the internet, and now you can hit the import button. When you click the import button, the new window will come up here, and now you can see this folder will come up, and we can use it in our project. It is so simple. Okay, first of all, you have to go to the Unity Asset Store and sign in to your account, and then you have to select any asset which you like in your game project, and then you have to click on the add to my asset, as we do in the add to my card when we do the shopping. So it will add it to your card. So it is same like that. The e-commerce procedure, it is same like that. So when you add it to your assets, whenever you assets, so it will come over here in the package manager. Package manager will show all the assets which are listed in your package. So now you can close it, and now we can select the Kevin Iglesias character, and we will go with the male dummy, and we can drag and drop over here. So for that, whenever you drag and drop any new character, so it will be here, and you have to you wanted to put it over here. So the very easy thing how to do that, just drag and drop that player, and then select that player and make X, Y, and Z 0. So it will
Okay, it will be zeros before the player.
yeah.
Mr. Hafiz, so if we want to add some texture for that character, can we do that?
No, actually, for textures, here are the textures. Here are the dummy textures. You can see.
Okay.
So we cannot change them. If we change them, then I have so many characters. If you like any characters, then I can provide you.
No, for example, if I have this model and I want to add the texture for this model, can I do that?
Yeah, you can do that. No, that's not a big deal. Sure, you can do that. It's not a big deal. For that, what you can do is you can, but the thing is, you have to follow the character renderer way. The material is this. This is the material. Okay.
From character to character is different, huh?
Yeah, every character is different.
All right.
So now we can select. We can change the colors of the character, and later I will tell you how to do that. Don't worry. So now,
okay.
if I close the box renderer like this, okay, and like this, and okay, it is fine. So now when maximize the game and hit the play button. So now it's look like the player is moving.
Yeah. I
There
think
is
you
a
give
cue.
us some websites. I think you give us some website to add animation if I was mistaken.
Yeah, we will add the animation, don't worry. We have animations in our, we have animations over here actually. Okay, we have the characters, we have the animations, we have everything. The animator is there and the animation is there. These are the free assets, don't worry, Hussein. So now the issue, what is the issue right now? The issue is when the player is going forward, he is facing the forward position. But when the character is going back, so he is not facing, so he should be moved. Okay. So
yeah,
for that,
and face the other.
Yeah. So for that, what we can do, player movement, and okay. So now what we can do, transform dot rotation equals to new vector 3. I think it's the Euler angles. Quaternion. Okay. Transform dot rotation 0, 0, and 0. One more, I think. Okay. Whenever he is going, and if he is going backward, then it should be 180, not over here, like this. Okay, the Y position will be 180. Move left, so it should become 180. Okay. Okay. So
X,
okay.
Y, Z, and the fourth one is for?
Yeah.
Others.
Yeah. X, Y, Z, what we will do, we will transform dot rotation dot X. Y, Z, and after Z, there is W. Okay. And I think only one value is changing. Okay. When we are moving the player, only the X position, the rotation is always same actually. I don't need to do that. Only one thing, the rotation is always 0. You can see over here, it is also always 0. When I move the character, only the position transforms will change. Right? Now you can see.
Okay.
Wait, what?
Yes. So this is the player. Okay. Why it is happening quaternion? I just changed the quaternion. We can make it back. Okay. Yes, this one. Because we have changed it dot forward actually. Yes. So we have to remove the minus sign. Okay. That's why it is going the right side whenever, because I changed my phase. The forward position is correct. So when I hit the play button and I go forward, I press D and now I press A. So it is working fine. I press D and now I press
Okay.
A.
But what was the bug? Like, what did happen when you have the minus sign?
Actually, before I use the minus sign because I just make the values negative. So if the value become negative, so it will be go against the forward. So the against forward thing was backward.
Yes.
Okay. So now when we are changing the now we are changing the rotation of the player. Okay, now if I change this, the backward, now the backward becomes forward because we have changed the focus, because this is forward, this blue is forward. I change, I just rotate that. Got it? That's why I need to change the minus sign to, I just need to remove the minus sign. That's why.
Okay, so when you have the minus sign, the A and D is changing. That would happen.
Would be I change rotate in
I just remove the minus sign. I just remove the minus sign because I changed the rotation.
Yeah. That I understand. So what did happen when there was this minus sign?
So it will go. So yeah, if there is a minus sign, what will happen? I will show you. It will go backward.
Okay.
It will go backward. Okay. So let me hit the play button.
Yeah, I want to see the.
And now I'm pressing the deep right button. Okay. So it is going perfectly fine right now.
Yes.
And
Yes.
when I press A button, so what is happening? It is go on the minus sign. Okay.
Oh.
That is a problem. That is a problem. So we have to remove because
Okay.
Okay, so okay, now we have to remove the minus sign from here. And what else is left? I think we need to add some animations. Okay, player animator. So for that we have a previous project, and I think if I get this complete standard asset over here, I think it will not show some errors. Actually, there are so many scripts over here under the standard assets. So let's see what will happen. Okay, the sign is too much. Okay, I will try to create my own animator, and I will show you how to create a new state. Okay, and how to play the animations. It is very, very simple. It is very, very simple. We have already make a move right and move left parameters. So whenever the player is moving, okay, so we can play the walking or running animation. And whenever these both bools are false, like move right and move left is false, so we can play the idle animation. Okay, so that is a very basic thing. And let me show you. Okay, right now it is importing. Okay, my baby is here. Baby, how are you? She's in the lecture.
Oh, you have a daughter, no son. I thought son.
No, I have a son. I have a son, but this is my brother, elder brother.
Oh, nice. Niece. Okay.
Yeah, she's a niece.
Allah يحفظهم.
And now she is gone.
God bless them. God bless her.
Yeah. So it is importing the package actually. So meanwhile, you can ask any questions if you have, and I can pause the recording.